Hey everybody, and welcome. My name is Subi and I am an embroidery artist, and these are fantastic. I have a nice set of them which I'll show you. It's really nice, makes hooping super easy, although you really have to be careful. You can see right on here, warning, keep away from computer disks and hard drives, which means when you are hooping anything, you have to have a clear space to do it in. You don't want to hoop on your computer table. You don't want to hoop with your phone nearby, for example. You don't want to do any of that because these guys are really strong. So I have my desk all cleared off. There's no phones, there's no computers, and that's the safest way of doing it. This is my 4x4 hoop, so you can see the size difference right here. It's quite a bit bigger. The only thing is with these hoops is that they are all the large hoop size. So the span from here to here is a large hoop size. You can see the difference right here, the difference in it. So when you put it on your machine, you have to trace everything out because the machine thinks you have a huge hoop on when you don't. So you must trace everything, flash up a news flash there. That's the first most important thing. Now, people don't know this. This is the bottom. If you're hooping it with this at the top, you're doing it wrong. This has to be at the bottom so you have maximum room. So warnings, more warnings. Now I'm going to show you, I'm going to move my hands out of the way and I'm going to show you. Did you hear that? Okay, it set off my crash alarm in my house. That's how strong it is. You really need to be careful with these things. You store them upside down like this. You don't store them closed because eventually the magnets will disappear. That is upside down. And it'll stick there, but you see how it's not very strong? So that is the proper storage of it. It's easy to do. This goes at the bottom. It doesn't matter if the hoop goes this way or that way. There's no top and bottom. The only part is this. Now this is just a towel from the dollar store, and you want to line everything up and print out your template and mark it. But I just want to show you, let's see, we've got 1, 2, 4, 6, 8 layers of towels right here. 8 layers of towel, and I want to show you how easily it hoops those 8 layers. It countersinks it. Look at how thick that is. Can you see that? So it'll literally hoop anything for you. Let's do it slowly. Do you see how I did that? I'm holding it with 2 hands. Ooh, tear it apart. It's kind of hard. You don't want, to start hooping up here because this part will come up to this part and you'll make everything crooked. So I kind of take it sideways and bring it on. There we go. And then this fits in perfectly. And look how nicely that goes. And this is what you use the table for. Rather than having this underneath and you have to twist everything around. Look, it's just delightfully on the table. Okay, that's it for this time. Next time, I'm going to show you how to trace out a design to make sure you do not hit the hoop, because you must remember the most important thing is that the machine does not register. Now, that does not mean you can't use it. It's made for this machine. It means that when you bring in a design that's 8x8, your machine thinks you have the big hoop, so it's not going to tell you to change your hoop size. You need a bigger hoop size. So if I was bringing in a design that's 5x7 and I have my arms set up to a 4x4, the machine will tell you, change to a larger hoop. That's what and it won't go any further than that. You can't put it into sewing. You can't do anything. So you need to remember that this thinks it's the biggest hoop. So as long as it fits in the biggest hoop, the arm distance is exactly the same. But look at the difference of sewing space. So your machine thinks it has this, but it really has this. So you have to be careful with it. So on the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to set it up in your machine and how to do it properly to make sure you don't break your machine. Thanks everyone for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to let us know that you want more videos just like this. Spread the word. We're going to have fantastic videos coming up.